Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hot crypto project. Today just I want to talk about pledge and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and you know about that. These are also get listed on KuCoin with world premium. I just want to clarify everything and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the video description so you can check them all one by one before we start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording pledge. So the symbol is PLGR. Get listed on KuCoin. And if you look to dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Pledge is now available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair is USDT. So if you want to buy this one token, you simply buy this one token with the pair of USDT. And I just want to give you some important schedule about this one project. If you look to deposit effective immediately supported network is BEP20, means that these are working on BEP20, means that if you want to buy this one token, we can directly pick up this one project easily from PancakeSwap. But I want to confirm and I will be give you complete detail about that. How can you buy this one project at the last of this video. So you can see trading will be alive on 12 January on 10 UTC time. And if you look to withdraw will be on 14 January. Means that if you want to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange, so you will be able to withdraw this one exchange on 14 January. And after that, this is a total supply of this one project and this is a circulating supply. And I want to give some important intel about this one project. You can see Pledge is the world leading marketplace for financial NFTs, starting with the fixed rate and terms Bitcoin loan. Pledge V1 offer fixed return to TradeFi and DeFi investor. In addition, Pledge V1 provides fixed cost of capital to professional crypto traders. Pledge V2 will make the Bitcoin loans tradable by converting all Bitcoin loans into financial NFTs. So I just want to click on that. I also want to open the main website of this one project. But first of all, I'm just gonna to main coin market cap. Right here, this is also clarified from Certic. That means this project have a more and more important for us, because if you look to any project who are clarified from Certic, that means this project have a more and more potential and this project work very hard. And if you look to market data is unstructured, so this project is a future as soon as unstructured listing, means that the listing process is start on that why the market is unstructured and we can't able to buy this one token right now, because of they just want to stop everything because of listing. And you can see I'm directly open to the main website of this one project. You can see right here. If you look to main website, you can see the world's leading marketplace for financial NFTs. They also want to launch the launch app, and they also working on it. If you click on that, you can see I'm just want to click on that, and right here I'm just wait for that. After that, I will be show you. You can see your balance, your active currencies will appear here. So if you want to connect your wallet, you simply connect your wallet with the MetaMask or Trust Wallet or connect. So you can see simply connect on that. After that, you will be able to do trade here. And right here, I just want to scroll down, and Pledge aims to be the crypto assist leading platform for non-traders. Our goal is to build foundational technology and create building blocks for the next generation of decentralized and open finance. Unlike other DeFi projects, Pledge is designed to allow the creation of invention structure and collateralized lending product. These include fixed interest rate swap, refinancing, and financial derivatives around credit market in order to allow investors to build diversified portfolios So you can see, also you can study about that. And I just want to clarify one important thing in this kind of market do around 500 trillion in a trade volume every year. Invention in a fixed yield vaults, variable yields vaults, tokenization of yields, and scenario of bonds represented in the pledge using financial NFTs gives pledge a unique position as a logo building blocks, makes improvising capital efficiency and reducing liquidity frictions. Pledge protocol is a algorithm-driven financial NFT-based cross-chain ecosystem covering lending and derivatives across many major public chains at the current stage. Pledge first built on the Binance Smart Chain. In the future, Pledge aims to become the infrastructure for the next phase of global financial market evolution. And if you look to the main key highlights, built on the groundbreaking financial NFT technology. So this is also too much important for that. Pledge leverages the latest blockchain technology, especially with ERC 1155 to enable the creation of NFT to represent each loan, bond, insurance, as well as other assets. Built by the pioneering team, you can see led by serial entrepreneur Tony Y. Chen and EX10 for Ford GSAB. This is just a simply team pioneering man. And if you look to build fixed rate and term loan for whales and miners, most DeFi lending protocol provide variable rate loan for traders. Pledger start with the fixed rate and term, primarily focusing on serving whales and miner for the year borrowing needs. And if you look to build for cross-border financial supply chain, institutions across the globe have a need to swap their credit and debit obligation for liquidity and low-cost capital. Pledge aims to service this global financial supply chain via a decentralized ecosystem by building an NFT trade ecosystem that interact across chain. And if you look to this, this is because too much important. If you look to the roadmap, you know about that. We directly understand that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future. After that, we directly indicate that to study the roadmap. So right here, I just want to go and I want to give some detail about the roadmap. If you look to the roadmap, this is our 2020-21 question number 4 product V1, which are already done, and is set for P2P lending with NFT as a collector. So this is also in 21. But if you look to 2022, product V3 for financial NFT best interest swap derivative trading on BSC. So this is too much important event for that. After that, if you look to product V4 for cross-chain financial NFT based financial supply chain. So this is also too much important for that. And this is a contributors. If you look, you can see this is a complete team of this one project who are working on that. If you look to partnership, so this is also, you can see do partnership with Get.io, Binance, and CoinMarketCap, Chainlink, and as well as. So this is all detail about the partnership with who are done with different type of exchanges and different type of wallets. So this is all detail about that, and I'm just gonna to word and give some important detail about this one token. And if you look, if you want to contact with them, this is also too much important for that, because you know, if you want to follow the different type of like Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram and Discord, so you will be get different type of airdrops and giveaways. You will be participated that easily. So I will be place all the link in the description box, so you directly join that. And if you want to place your email here, and after that you simply click on the submit button. After that you will be get a latest news from that sites. And this is all detail about this one project. I want to clarify everything about this one project because this is a too much important project, and I will never miss those projects who are in listing, who are in, they have they will be more and more events in upcoming time, so I'm directly uploaded about that. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Thanks a lot.